In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your Opera browser is crashing or keeps crashing on startup. Okay, for the first, what we can do is go here into the search bar, and here in the search bar we look for the task manager. And in the task manager we see our CPU memory usage, and if this is too high we have to lower this. So what we can do here is, if we find something here which we don't need, like Spotify or Discord, right click on it and then end the task. This will fully close the program and will automatically lower your CPU and memory usage. Okay, and then for the next step, go here on startup apps on the left, and here we can disable the automatic startup for specific apps. So like the 5K player or Discord directly start when I turn on my PC. And these apps often run in the background, make some updates, and that's not what we want. So what we can do here, right click on it and then disable it. And then the app only start when we click on the app. So this is really, really important. For the next step, this is a specific tip for NVIDIA graphic card users. Go in the NVIDIA app and here you can go on drivers and can easily install the new especially for schematic driver. And yeah, this is really important for games, but also for like gaming browser like Opera GX. So make sure that you have always the new especially for schematic driver here for your graphic card. For all other graphic card users like AMD or something, you can also go on the internet and you can also look there for your graphic card. So okay, yeah, for your graphic card after the driver download, and then you will also find the best driver software. Okay, and then for the next step, go to the search bar again, and here we look for the device manager. And in the device manager, we can go here on the left on disk drive, display adapters, and where's the processors. So right click on your processor, update driver, search and make for drivers, and here we have already installed the best driver. And we can do this with all processors, all display adapters, and all disk drives. So this is really, really important. And you can also look in the internet for the best driver software. And then we have like sound, video, and game controllers. And what we can do here is right click on it, and then we can also go on, disable. And if you have some problems after that, no worries, you can also enable it again. Okay, and then for the next step, what we can also do is go here into your Opera browser, click on the left here on the settings, and here in the settings, we can also do some changes. Okay, we can scroll all the way down here, and yeah, okay, so go on advanced here. And then we have like the VPN. So I recommend to turn this off because the VPN is really, really slow. And then we have like the battery saver. So, and if you have this on, then try to disable it. And if you don't have enabled it, then try to, enable it. Because, sometimes it can be really, really useful or it can cause crashes. So make sure that you, try this if it change anything. So, and this is really, really important here. Okay, and this is all you have to do, and after that your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next.